would like to introduce you to the VVDI sun visor grille remote control, which has a clip on the back that can be attached to the sun visor of our car. It is frequency independent, and no matter what the original frequency is, we can use it to grill the sun visor directly, and after grilling it, it can be used. In addition, this remote control can be used not only for our garage door or company's gate or roller shutter, it can be used for all kinds of remote control. The remote control can be used not only for garage doors or company gates, but also for roller shutters. It's in the back. Push the back cover this way. This part of it is to install a battery. Battery model is CR2032. New remote control is no battery. After we install a battery in it, then we will see how to use this remote control. Before using it, we first look at the remote control is not light code. Light code method is to press and hold the upper and lower buttons at the same time. The light goes out, then release and press the pause button. Okay, the light goes out, then the remote control is successful, then you can see that the light blinks once you press it, then it goes out. If the light goes out when you press it, then the remote control is successful, then we'll start the test. The remote control I'm holding is the one in front of our office. When we take the test, the remote control can be placed like this. First press the original up button, then press the new button. You press the original up button, then press the new up button. And then press the new up button, then 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 the new up button. Down button, lights on, test successful, then pause. The light is on, the test was successful. No, then press this again. Okay, what about this one? It doesn't go out when you press it, then it doesn't, so you don't need to test it. Okay, let's see if this works. This is our doorway. Let's test it with the remote control. The up button is to lock it so it's off, and the down button is to open it. So let's press it. You can see it's on. And this is the pause button. Then this is the pause button. Press it and it's paused. Okay, so this is a match. Once it's matched, you can attach the remote control to the sun visor of the car. This is our sun visor, and we'll put the clips here. It's convenient for us to use, for example, for your garage door. For example, if you have a garage door, you can also install a remote control and add it to the sun visor. It's easy to use. It's easy to use. Open it. Okay, if you need it, you can buy it by clicking the link below.